Hello there, beautiful people. My name's Habib. You're watching Habib Fragrances. This is a channel where we review, criticize, and analyze fragrances. I tell you which one is the best one for you. In this much requested video, we're going to be deep diving into the Brown gift set by Arabian Oud. Now, this is a much requested video from you guys. I did an unboxing experience of this gift set. You can watch that over here if you're interested. Because of that unboxing video, you guys requested this so much. Now, there are a lot of items in this gift set. We're going to be getting into what each one of those items is, what it smells like, what its breakdown is, and then I'm also going to be giving a usage and layering guide of this gift set tailored to seasons, occasion, and mood, so that you can get the best and the most out of this gift set if you do intend to buy it. Then I'm going to give you some pro tips at the end, and we're going to wrap it up with my conclusion. Without any further ado, let's get straight into it. Now here's our product, as you guys have already seen in the unboxing video. Now in this gift set, we have two fragrances that are each 100 milliliter, and one of them has a 1 on the back. It's called number 1. The other is a number 2. The other two very important items that we have are these two 3 milliliter perfume fragrance oil bottles. Now these are extract oils. They're very concentrated. We're going to get into that in just a moment as well. We have this incense burner. I showed this in the unboxing video as well. I'll show that to you guys as well. And we also have this Oud Bakhoor wood. Going to talk about this in just a moment as well. We're going to start off with fragrance number 1. It's got a 1 written on the back, so for ease we're just going to call this number 1. Now in the opening of number 1 we have bergamot, which gives it a fresh citrusy opening, which is very welcoming. In the mid we have geranium, which gives it a slightly green, earthy yet floral heart. And in the base we have amber, giving it a warm and sweet base for depth and comfort. Oh yeah, smells fantastic. It's great for daily use, all weather type scent, and it sits really close to your skin. Keep that in mind. It's a great close to your skin type scent. Next up we got number 2. It's got a 2 in the back, and number 1 had a 1 in the back. So number 2 is very different from number 1. It still has bergamot in the opening, giving it that citrusy freshness. However, everything else is very much different. In the mid of number 2 we have rose, jasmine, rosewood, cypriol, and orris. Now this heart does make it very different from number 1. This heart, the rose and the jasmine do give it a floral vibe. It's very evident and prominent. The rosewood slightly gives out this woodiness, and the cypriol and the orris. Cypriol gives it a little bit of leatheriness, and the orris gives it that hint of powderiness that it needs to smell as fantastic as this does. In the base we have patchouli, cedarwood, dry amber, and also musk. This one is a heavier, woody, oud-based luxury type scent. It's perfect for formal events, evenings, and cooler weathers. Next up we got the oils. Now these bottles are fantastic. They feel so luxurious in the hand. They got weight to them, and I just cannot explain to you how premium they smell. Now, one is number 3 and the next one is number 4. They don't say number 3 or number 4 on them anywhere like these two do, number 1 and 2. But what is very different from these two is the way they smell. You can immediately, instantly smell the difference. Now, if I open this, yep, smelling it, I'm going to call this number 3. We'll get to this number 4 in just a moment. Now, number 3 is natural oud oil. It's pure oud extract all the way. It's powerful, it's resinous, smoky, and slightly leathery. Now this one is number 4. Number 3 is natural oud oil. This is musk oil. It's called musk mutasalik on their official website, and this smells sweet, it smells soft, it smells sensual. Oh yeah, definitely. Finally, we got the incense and the incense burner. I've shown both of these items, all of these items, in a very close-up angle. You can check that out over here if you're interested in that, if you're interested in seeing how they look close up. Now, this is Oud Bakhoor. Oud Bakhoor is oud wood. Now we have these chips of the oud wood. What you're supposed to do is you're supposed to take this burner and take out these wrappers. Let's throw that aside. Now what you do with this is you get a coal. There are special coals for burning this wood, burning this bakhoor. You burn that coal for 5-7 minutes on a hot fire where it turns red. After it's turned red, you put it aside for 2 to 3 minutes where it cools down just a little, so it's not red anymore, it's grayish. You put that coal in this cup goes in here, so the coal goes inside this. You put the wood on top of the coal, so it's gonna sit on top of the coal like this. You can put this cover over the coal and the wood. Now this cover has a design in it. The fumes of the incense are going to come out of this and it's going to look beautiful. Not only that, it also smells fantastic. Here's a summary chart of all the items in the gift set and their respective breakdown for your convenience in understanding. If you want, you can just pause the video right here or take a screenshot. Now let's get into how to use and layer all the contents of this gift set by season and occasion. Let's start off with season. So if you're going to be using this gift set in summer or spring, I suggest using number 1. It's velvety, it's musky, it's light, and it's fresh. Sits close to you, is not offensive at all. You can also layer number 1 with number 4, which is the musk oil. Add a dab of the musk oil to your pulse points, your wrist or your neck. You might be wondering how to do that. I'll show you in just a second right now. So we open this, roll it up, and there's this stick inside that pops out. It's a glass stick. It's gonna have the oil on it. What you can do is literally take your wrist and just dab it right here like this. Tap, tap, tap a few times and you're good. You can do the exact same thing. Take this stick, dab it on your neck, tap on your neck like this, and you have applied this oil. Now if you want more, you can also do more. Once you've dabbed it and spread it on your pulse points, on your neck, you can also rub a little bit of it on your clothes. It's going to really help elevate the way you smell. As I said, number 4, the musk oil is soft, smooth, and sensual. It's really hot outside. This sits closer to you as well. It's not strong or harsh in any way. Layering it with number 1 is fantastic. I've done that so many times in summer. It's summertime right now. I love layering it like this. How do you layer it? So I just applied the oil in front of you guys. All you need to do now is spray it on your hand where the pulse point was. Do the exact same thing. Just tap on the other side and then your neck, spray it like that. And you can also spray it on your clothes just like that. And boom, you're done. Just layered the musk oil, number 4, and number 1 in front of you guys. This is perfect layering for the summertime. What I do not recommend is layering number 1 with the oud oil. This oud oil is very deep, very dark, very resinous, and very strong. It can get very overpowering very quickly. It can hurt your head. It can hurt the head of the people around you. So just stay clear of it. Once you get this gift set, if you are interested, try what I'm telling you and you'll understand what I mean by it can get too heavy, too strong. Now for fall and winter season, I recommend number 2. This is called Cambodian Oud. On the official website, that's what it's named as, Cambodian Oud. You can use this on its own, solo it, or you can layer it with the oud oil. Now both of these are deeper, they are a little stronger. The oud oil is very strong, very resinous, very deep, and number 2 is on the sweeter side. It's got the floral aspect in it as well, the woodiness in it as well. Like I showed layering both the musk fragrances, you can layer both the oud fragrances the exact same way. Open the oud oil, put it on your pulse points. You can put it behind your ears as well. You can put it on your neck, you can put it on your wrist. You can also spread some on your chest if you're interested in that. That's also a pulse point. And then spray all the fragrance over it that you want. I suggest number 2. You can actually, even in winter and fall, layer number 1 with the oud oil as well. It goes pretty nice as well, but number 2 just smells much better. They're both oud type scents. Now, once you've layered these, you are good. You are solid, but you can actually go one step ahead as well. The fall and the winter time is perfect to be burning the Oud Bakhoor as well. The incense, the smoke that this is going to release, it's very subtle. It's not going to create an entire smoky atmosphere in your room, in your space, in your living area, wherever you like to put this. Now, what this is going to do is, because it's oud wood, it's going to create a very cozy, comfortable room environment. Now let's get into using and layering these items according to occasions. For work and daily use, I recommend number one. You can solo number one. It's fresh, it's citrusy, and it's very non-offensive. It sits close to you. You can also layer it with the musk oil. Put a little dab, not too much, a little dab of the musk oil on your pulse points. Spray number one over it, and you're going to smell clean, you're going to smell sophisticated and very fresh. Next up, we got religious or cultural events. Now, you can use this in a lot of different ways for religious or cultural events. You can use number two, solo it. You can layer number two with the musk oil as well. It's going to smell very nice. The musk oil and the Cambodian oud that is present in this, they go very nice hand in hand. Get a little sweet, a little sensual, and remain very soft. Now, what you can also do for religious or cultural events, you can actually layer both the oils together as well. So just like I showed you, take the strip, the stick out, dab some on your wrist, on your pulse points, the other one as well, do the same, and just mix them together, spread them all over yourself, and it's going to really elevate the way you smell. You can also, for cultural and religious events, if it's very cool outside, layer number two with the oud oil as well. Remain very light with the oud oil in this setup because the oud oil is very strong, it's very resinous, and it has a very bold presence. So you don't want it to overpower the Cambodian oud too much, which has floral aspects and sweetness in it as well. Now, a bonus for cultural or religious events, burn the Bakhoor, have it burning in your home. Now, what you can do is, after the incense is being released from the Bakhoor wood, you can literally take this and bring it close to you, under your jacket, under your shirt, and it's going to give a very traditional, very Middle Eastern cultural scent to you. You're going to be projecting it and it's going to smell fantastic. Now let's get into evenings, special events, and dates. Take the oud oil, put a little bit on your pulse points, not too much, it's very strong, very bold. After you applied the oud oil, spray number two over each and every place you put the oud oil. It's going to tone the boldness of the oud oil just a little down. Now this has jasmine, this has rosewood in it, it's got orris in it, so it's going to smoothen that out a little bit, yet it's going to be very strong, very prominent, and you're going to be very visible with the way you smell. Next, after that, take the musk oil, apply a little bit in your hair, at the ends of your hair's tips, and also behind your neck. It's going to leave a very long-lasting, sensual trail behind you. You can combine number two and both the oils this way. Finally, when you're at home and relaxing, you can solo the musk oil. It's very cozy and comforting, or just burn the oud Bakhoor. The incense gives a very comfy, relaxing vibe. Or you can also spray number one. 2, 3 sprays, maybe 4 sprays of this. It's going to keep you in a fresh mood. And if you have just a few chores around the house to do, you want to feel fresh, you want to feel clean, or if you just hopped out of the shower and you want to just smell fresh and clean, this is fantastic. Yep, the bergamot in this smells fantastic. It's very citrusy and it's just going to keep you in a great vibe. Next, I also want to give you guys some pro tips about using this gift set. Tip number 1, less is more with the natural oud oil. It's very strong, it's very bold, it's very prominent and overpowering. Less is more. Tip number 2, pulse points. Your wrists, the sides of your neck, back of your neck, and also your chest. They're pulse points. Applying fragrance here really helps it last longer, and it also helps projecting the fragrance. Tip number 3, applying the musk oil lightly in your hair. So maybe you can dab some on your hand, spread it around, and just apply some in your hair. Really helps with making the fragrance last longer and leaves a fantastic scent trail. Finally, tip number 4, scenting your clothes. Now, you can use the incense burner, and whether you're wearing a shirt, whether you're wearing a jacket, whether you're wearing a scarf, a shawl, an abaya, a tope, anything that you're wearing, you can pick up the incense burner, take it close to you, under your shirt, under your abaya, or just float your clothes over the incense burner, and it's going to really give it this nice incense smell. It's very long lasting, and it is very traditional in the Middle Eastern culture. And if you're feeling classy, if you're feeling traditional, that is fantastic to do. Now you can also use the oils, dab them on your wrist, spread them on your clothes, and you can also spray the perfumes directly on your clothes. That really helps it with long lasting as well. My final thoughts and conclusions about this gift set: it's fantastic, it's great, as you figured already. It's not just great to gift someone, but also to buy for yourself. All of these items smell very luxurious, they're very top-notch, they're very high-end quality ouds, they're high-end quality extracts, high-end quality ingredients. You can use it in almost so many ways. There are so many ways to layer them. I explained so many to you guys. This gift set covers all seasons, it covers all situations, and it cannot only serve him, it can also serve her. What I mean by that is, it's not just all male scent. The fragrance number 2 and the musk oil, when you're combining these, you smell very sensual, you smell very calm, you smell very subtle. It can easily be used by a female as well. And if a girl really likes, natural oud oil, she can use this as well. As I always say, fragrances are very subjective, so they're not limited to him or her. Anyone can use any fragrance as long as it smells good on them, as long as they like the way it smells on them. Arabian Oud, for me, is so far one of my favorite Middle Eastern fragrance house, if not my favorite. If you like this type of content, don't forget to hit the like button, the subscribe button. I love it when you guys leave comments down below. I love it when you guys correct me. I love it when you guys educate me. Keep doing that. And always remember, if you smell good, you look good.